Brady Worldwide, when performance matters most.
Brady's Visual Management Workshop lets you create, implement, and manage visual standards in your facility to improve operational efficiency, productivity, and regulatory compliance. Brady combines customized classroom training and hands-on visual transformation to meet your facility's needs. This 6-day engagement starts with Brady's lean expert and consulting team, identifying your critical business issues and key focus areas. Next, your 3-day workshop begins with interactive classroom training that engages participants to recognize visual gaps and define visual standards. Together, Brady experts and participants transform your workplace into a visually instructive area that can be standardized across your facility. Finally, the workshop wraps up with recommendations to sustain improvements and key issues, including 5S, inventory control, TPM, and GHS compliance.
We're in the pocket chisel area, and we have this very strong visual controls on all the different size chisels, very easy to make, but now we've added a lot more product line, and we're now making the pocket chisel kit and toolkit, which has all these different products here. So we need a bin placement for all these, and this is the way we're doing it now, and it's really not very good, not very strong visual controls. I can't really tell that this is the diamond sharpener or what this one is right here until I pull it out. So that's not good. So we're going to do some visual controls on this area and see if we can't make it a lot nicer. We're back, and now we've made our visual controls. Now see, the chisels now, we folded the cardboard back and hot glued them in the corner and hot glued a chisel on there, so we can see that's easily the 1/4 inch, the 1/2 inch, the 3/4. And then here's all of our new inventory. Look how nice this all is. Everything's totally tipped back, easy for anyone to understand what bin to reach in for the product that they need to make. And there are strong visual controls. So again, the point is anybody can walk into this area and in 5 minutes understand how to do it. Everything's visual, everything's systematically organized.
Manufacturing Insights, Manufacturing Engineering Magazine's video series for process improvement. This program examines how manufacturing companies are using visual controls to quickly spot production problems and improve productivity. We will see visual controls in use at Breed Technologies, a global supplier of passenger restraint systems. They've made visual controls a science, practicing it on the plant floor and in their offices. At Delphi Automotive, where visual controls have improved material handling and the way work is performed. At Donnelly Corporation, where visual controls have inspired new ideas from employees, increased efficiency, and saved time, effort, and money. And finally, at Ford's Romeo Engine Plant, where hourly people create their own visual controls with help from an on-staff visual factory specialist.
Hello, welcome to Valaction Video's presentation on using visual instructions. My name is Lean Leary. I am a production manager that works for Valaction Continuous Improvement. I've been doing lean for many years now, so I've accumulated a lot of insight into things that can help you out in your production. I manage our Valaction Cart facility located in Western Washington. We produce the Valaction Cart. It's an amazing vehicle that's great for all of your vehicular entertainment needs. We've been ramping up production over the last few years and now have a steady stream of these carts rolling off the end of our assembly line. Of course, it wasn't always that way. When we first started out our production, we had to figure out how to get this pile of parts turned into the amazing product that we produce. Our first hack at it, we tried doing a lot of written instructions. So as you can see, it's very difficult to take this kind of paragraph format and read it quickly while producing a product and come out with good results. In fact, we struggled with that early on and had some unpredictable output on our assembly line. So we went back to the drawing board and created much more visual work instructions. Now these instructions are clear and easy to follow and quickly reference when you're in the middle of a production process. And as a result, we were able to get much more consistent quality, lead time, and maintain our cost structure very effectively on our assembly line. So we packaged this up into a great kit that you can use to train your people on your assembly line without having to go through the difficulties we went through early in our production. It's available at our website, www.valaction.com. This training kit is useful for teaching your teams the value of using highly visual instructions, whether it's in 5S, visual management, or work instructions like we showed you in this presentation. And again, you can buy this at www.valaction.com and avoid all that struggle that we had early on in figuring out how to make great work instructions. If you have any questions about this production or about our products, please contact Jeff Hajek, my boss, at 1-800-670-5805, or you can email us at info@valaction.com. I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and we look forward to hearing from you.